unnecessarily worried. Discover your purpose. Move on. Just take the step to be, and before you know, you suddenly get to your destination. For God is suddenly in charge, and that trouble that troubles you today, surely will be over soon. Oh,